All right. Hello, everyone. I know it has been a while, but stuff happens. It's been almost 3 months since I uploaded, but here is a new sort of like figure series. I know I review a lot of SH Figure Arts and Nendroids, but I wanted to dabble a little bit more on like regular, just standard figures that you just display on any occasion. And here we have Mirko. So Mirko, it for the time of this recording, it is March 3rd, and her birthday was on March 1st. So it's kind of like a little special gift, but whatever. Let's actually just get right into opening her because she is very small. This is the size of my hands. She looks small from what I'm able to see. So let's just open her right up. All right, here we have Mirko. She looks wonderful already. Let me actually get her out of the package, or else I really can't do this video. It's just your basic one stand, the basic stand figure that you'll have displayed at any time, which is fine. I think those kind of figures are also good to have, and they're like more reasonable to purchase rather than like the $70+ figures. So here we have the stand, and then we also have the girl himself. She is much smaller than I actually anticipated. I saw a bunch of different like pictures of her, and she looked bigger in those pictures. So I don't know if it's just a different reason or something, but she still looks great. And look at that, there she is. Let's actually take a closer look. Let me unhook this from my tripod. So here we have her in all her glory. This is a great figure. It actually has a bunch of good detail. Her design is not that complicated, so it makes sense for them to not really mess up this figure at all. But it overall looks good. The bunny tail, the everything, even like the little collar that she has. It looks perfect. I will say the hair may be a little bit too bland. There really isn't much going on there, but that's fine. The detail on the gloves is great. I think that's just mostly because of the shadow, or even just paint, because I can't really tell. You can actually see the abs. Pretty much you can see every muscle from her, which is great to see. She's wobbly because that's every figure like this. I have a Goku figure of the same caliber. But yeah, she is wonderful. And as a fan of her character in My Hero, oh yeah, this is also the first My Hero figure I review here. So there's that. But some in the technicalities of this figure is that she is quite affordable. She is not too expensive. Again, the detail as seen throughout is very good. The paint in the eyes. Actually, let me just get it a little bit closer. The eyebrows might seem a little bit too faded out compared to every other part of the figure, but I think that's a fine thing to have. Honestly, she has like these little speed lines in her eyes, or actually they're just shadows. But yeah, I actually do think this is a good figure. For me, as to how much I got it for 13 bucks from the official Crunchyroll store. I am not sponsored because I don't know who would actually sponsor me. But this figure, I got it through the Crunchyroll store. I 100% recommend them. I've gotten another figure that I will be reviewing later on once I get things more situated. But yeah, this is a great figure, and for the price, the regular price is around, I want to say, $26-$30 with shipping. If you're living in the U.S., I'm not entirely sure about any other area. If you live in Japan, where these figures come from, it's most definitely going to be cheaper. Um, Importing it will also probably be not the right thing to do, because of shipping and all that kind of stuff. But when comparing it to the actual box, I actually, like, you can actually see that it's quite accurate, and isn't much of an issue. I will say this strand of hair is way too curved out. It's supposed to be like right under here. But again, they even say it in the box. It says right here, actual figure, color, style, and decoration may vary. That could also go most likely for the mold and that kind of stuff. But yeah, these are professionally taken pictures. This is just me reviewing the figure on camera. If I could actually have like a good camera to take photos on, it would most likely look like this. But yeah, I give this figure, since it's one of the first ones that that I'm reviewing for the channel, I will say, I give it around I give it a 9 out of 10. It's not perfect, but it's really good, especially since the size is not. The size is also a thing that kind of made it indifferent for me. For the regular price, I would not have bought this if I knew this was the actual size, which is again like around $30 for me. But since I got this deal of just $13, I take it. I'll take it because it's a good figure for the price that I bought it for. It was definitely a steal for me, but hey, you can maybe get lucky and find it on sale somewhere else. But yeah, um, I will mention that this is not the only Mirko figure that I will be reviewing. There's a lot more that I have planned for the future, this year and even next year. But yeah, some things I actually want to talk about, as this is nearing the end of the video. My upload schedule. I have been quite busy, ultimately, with life and stuff. Don't want to get too much into it, but it's nothing too serious. It's just regular life stuff that has made me unable to actually record videos. But I will say I have a lot of things planned out. Things are starting to ease out, so expect more videos on not a weekly basis, but I will say one video every 2 weeks will be something that I will be trying to shoot for. If you see a video uh, every week from now on, you know I'm in a better place now. Again, it's just I actually moved recently, but though, so that's one of the reasons why I haven't been uploading. So yeah, that's why the setup is a little bit more different. I don't have the rotating wheel and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I appreciate all the support you guys have been showing me in the last couple of months, actually. We're almost at 200 subscribers, and I actually do have something planned out for that. It's a set of androids that are actually arriving to me soon. But yeah, be on the lookout for that. Once I hit 200 subscribers, I will be dropping that video on my channel. So yeah, again, just be on the lookout for that. So yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.